the sagas of our Indian heroes. It will light up the fire, that patriot within you. Let us hear it from Krish, Trish and Balti boy. Bharat hai hum. Bharat hai hum.
Why do you keep sleeping like a donkey all the time, Balti boy? Now answer one of my questions and I will let you go.
Okay, ask.
So tell me, is wisdom greater than the buffalo?
Obviously, the buffalo, because there must be some wisdom in the buffalo too, isn't it?
No, Balti boy. That's why I say make books your friends. Nothing is better than wisdom.
And who has said that?
Chimaji Appa. Have you never heard his name?
No.
So now, let me tell you his story. Hey Sanskriti, story mode on.
Chimaji Appa was born in 1707 in the coastal Konkan region. He was the younger brother of Peshwa Bajirao and was the most ferocious warrior of the 18th century. Srimant Bajirao won every battle that he fought, and the mastermind behind those successes was Chimaji Appa. But in 1737,
In 1737, the Portuguese were ruling Konkan and they used to torture the people a lot. So much so that if a child became an orphan, they snatched him from his relatives and sent him or her away to the church.
yay!
You are not his mother. He's an orphan and now he belongs to us. He's now the property of the church. Don't you worry, we will make a good Christian out of him.
The Portuguese snatched the orphan boy from his aunt and took him to the Vasai fort, where he was presented to the Portuguese Viceroy Pedro de Mascarenhas and the Commandant General of the fort, Martino de Silveira.
Sir, he's an orphan, so now he belongs to the church. We snatched him from his aunt and brought him here.
If you go to church every day and be a good Christian, then nothing will happen to you. Or else... General Martino, is the new fort at Thane ready?
No, Viceroy Mascarenhas. We are running short of money. And if the taxes are raised, then the people will revolt.
Will these cowardly people start a revolt? Neither the people of Konkan will say anything, nor their kings and emperors, as they have no time left after fighting among themselves. Increase taxes without any fear and complete the Thane fort soon.
While Pedro de Mascarenhas ordered the completion of the fort at Thane, on the other side, the orphan boy's aunt and her son reached the royal court of Peshwa Bajirao with their complaint.
My brother and sister-in-law died. The Portuguese took away their son, declaring him an orphan. They will make him a Christian.
The Portuguese have demolished all of our temples, Srimant. They forced us to come to their church. I didn't go one day, so they lashed me and tore my skin.
Those who commit atrocities in the name of religion are not human beings but monsters. Srimant, the time has come to free Konkan from the abuses of the Portuguese.
Pardon my interjection, Appa. The Portuguese have built a labyrinth of forts in Konkan. Fighting them would be inviting death.
How can one be a warrior if he's afraid of death, Venkatrao?
It's not about the death of warriors, Chimaji. It's about the lives of the people. If the Portuguese win against you, then they will exact their revenge on these people.
And will make the whole of Konkan bleed.
Konkan is being bloodied even today, Bhivrao. It is my dharma to protect the people. Today I vow to liberate Konkan from the bloody clutches of the Portuguese. For that I need your blessings,
After
Srimant.
seeking the blessings of Peshwa Bajirao, in 1737, Chimaji Appa, Venkatrao, Baji Bhivrao, Shankaraji Phadke, Mahadji Phadke and other Maratha chieftains reached Thana and started designing new tactics and strategies against the Portuguese.
This is the maze of Portuguese fortifications. Here in the middle is the Vasai fort, their stronghold. Unless and until we take away their fortresses, they will continue to loot these lands and the people.
So let's attack directly on their heart. The rest of the forts will then easily become cold.
Before attacking the heart, it is necessary to attack the brain, Shankaraji. The Portuguese are more powerful than us. There's only one way to defeat them, instilling fear in their minds. Here is Thane. This is where the Portuguese are building a new fort.
And if we take away their new fort, then they will start having sleepless nights. Excellent plan.
Tomorrow morning, we will begin our attack on Thane Mahatji and Shankaraji. Tonight, you will find out the weaknesses of this new fort.
Shankaraji not only discovered the weaknesses of the fort, but also attacked and captured it the same night.
Well done, Shankaraji. This defeat must have made the Portuguese nervous, and a nervous enemy is more weaker than he thinks. Even if he holds the Brahmastra in his hand, before they regain any stability, we should attack and capture Vasai.
Chimaji Appa's forces, under the command of Baji Bhir Rao, attacked the Vasai fort. On getting the signal from Bhir Rao, the forces with Chimaji, along with ladders with them, started rushing towards the walls of the Vasai fort. They set their ladders and started climbing the fort. But after the defeat at Thane, the Portuguese were on alert and were waiting for Chimaji's forces in an ambush. Chimaji's forces were nearing the top of the fort's wall when suddenly the Portuguese started firing their guns. The physical location and features of the Vasai fort made it difficult to capture it. Many of Chimaji's soldiers were killed in this attack.
Attack!
And Bhir Rao was wounded too. Seeing the heaps of corpses of soldiers around him and the condition of Bhir Rao, Shankaraji Phadke gave the order.
Retreat, everyone!
On his return, Shankaraji and Bhir Rao gave Chimaji the details of the losses suffered by the army.
In 2 hours, we lost 2,000 soldiers.
That was our half force.
We have to devise a new strategy.
No battle strategy can counter the Portuguese guns, Appa.
Wars are not won by weapons, but by brains.
While their talks were ongoing, a soldier hurriedly came to Chimaji with a message from Peshwa Baji Rao.
Shrimant Peshwa Bajirao has sent a letter. The Nizam has invaded Malwa. Shrimant has summoned you to Malwa immediately.
We cannot leave Shriman to fight alone. Shankaraji, start mobilizing weapons, horses and soldiers. Attack the checkposts of Portuguese every day. Keep engaging them in skirmishes. Until I return back, don't let them have even a sliver of rest.
Chimaji Appa left Konkan and went to aid Peshwa Baji Rao, while Shankaraji started to harass the Portuguese. Peshwa Baji Rao and Chimaji together defeated the Nizam, but it took both of them 1 whole year to do this. Chimaji's health also started deteriorating, but without stopping, without resting, Chimaji soon left for Vasai so that the people of Konkan could be saved from the atrocities of the Portuguese.
So tell us, Shankaraji, what is the condition at Konkan?
As per your orders, we kept attacking the Portuguese. We have the Arnala, Dharavi and Bandra forts in our control. But in the Mahim campaign, my brother, Mahatji was martyred. Thousands of soldiers were also martyred by the cannons. The remaining soldiers are demoralized and afraid of the Portuguese. Appa, they don't want to fight anymore.
Remind all the soldiers, when the enemy cannot be defeated by force, you have to use your wit. If they still don't agree, then let them go. I will fight myself. Who is ready to join me?
Willingly or unwillingly, all the Maratha chieftains who were present there agreed to support.
So this is the new strategy. Vasai Fort. It is strengthened by the forts surrounding it. These neighboring forts send money, food, ammunition and the soldiers there. Before any attack on Vasai, this supply chain has to be destroyed first. In the east at Thane, we have our stronghold, Venkatrao. You engage the Portuguese in the south so that they don't get any aid from Gomantak. Shankaraji, you start attacking the Portuguese ships in the west. Not even one ship should reach Vasai. Me and Bhir Rao will march north to capture Tarapur. Vasai will be cut off from all 4 sides. Then we shall begin the siege of Vasai Fort.
Venkat Rao charged on to Gomantak, which is the present-day Goa, and cut off Vasai from the south. Shankaraji and Manaji Angre set up a naval blockade on the mouth of the Vasai Creek, cutting off access to Vasai from the west through the sea. In the east, Versova, Santa Cruz, Ghodbandar and Thane forts had already been captured by the Marathas. The only access left was in the north, where Chimaji and Bhiv Rao attacked the Tarapur fort.
Turn all the cannons towards the right flank. The Portuguese are concentrating right now on the soldiers climbing the ladder. On the other side of the fort, they have less forces. Charge!
The shots from the cannons broke a part of the right wall of the Tarapur fort.
Superb, Chimaji! This is the chance to enter the fort!
Charge!
Attack!
With great agility, Bhiv Rao rushed towards the broken wall on his horse. But the Portuguese soldiers were alert. Seeing Bhiv Rao coming, they fired at him, the shots of which hit straight through Bhiv Rao's heart.
No, Bhiv Rao!
Bhiv Rao's death sparked outrage among the soldiers, and they lashed out at the Portuguese army fearlessly. Chimaji's forces fought the battle at Tarapur with great bravery, and they successfully won back Tarapur. But sadly, Bhiv Rao died that night.
What happened then, Trish?
Bhiv Rao's death really shattered Chimaji's heart. But how could he forget the promise made to the people of Konkan? To isolate Vasai from all four sides, thousands of lives were martyred. Now it was time for the main siege.
Yes, the main siege.
The story of the siege is for tomorrow.
Come on, don't do that, Trish.
Hey, the story of the siege is long and the night is short. I'll tell you when I wake up tomorrow.
Chimaji promise?
Chimaji promise.
So then, say it proudly.
Hey guys! If you enjoyed listening to this story a lot, then you will definitely have more fun watching it.
Watch Krish Trish Balti Boy Bharat Hai Hum every Sunday at 11 a.m. on Doordarshan.
And our streaming partners are Amazon Prime Video and Netflix. Stay tuned.